This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Richard Connor. Come check out this great home located on a nearly half-acre lot in Forest Heights Subdivision. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath home sits on 0.46-acre lot with a newly replaced roof 3 years ago, and a brand new heat pump system has been installed a year ago. Large storage shed comes with the home as well. Also has an above-ground pool. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Richard Connor at 304-263-2121.